Mheshimiwa Speaker,
Yes,
asante
Mr.
sana.
Odhiambo, what's your point of order?
Mr. Speaker, I don't think it is in order for Honorable Koimburi to be casting aspersions on new members when there is actually there is no case that is challenging their win. But more fundamentally, Speaker, he's asking the members to go and listen to the ground. When he failed to listen to his own wife, Mr. Speaker, he was listening elsewhere. He needed to have listened to his wife, first of all. He must listen to his wife before he listens elsewhere. Is he in order?
Order. Dedimas.
Asante sana Mheshimiwa Speaker kwa kunipatia nafasi hii.
Order, Dedimas. Honorable Koimburi, let's not escalate this. You know, when you hurl stones at your colleagues, those are some of the consequences. But I want to remind you that in our democracy, we have had a case here in the 8th Parliament where members in Wajir tied and we went to a by-election. We had a member called Sugo Major from Garissa. He won by a majority of 2 votes and served a full term. In our democracy, a win is a win regardless of the majority of votes. Didimas?
Asante Mheshimiwa.